Hello, I am Bob Wallin, President and CEO of Stoughton Trailers. For almost 65 years, Stoughton Trailers has been building high-quality products that are known for providing the best return on investment in the industry. We have grown to be the fifth largest trailer manufacturer in North America. Our rapid growth is powered by our commitment to technology, innovation, and the recruitment of talented and hardworking employees. Join me as I show you why Stoughton Trailers is the best manufacturer in the business.
From our modest beginnings back in 1961, Stoughton Trailers has evolved and grew to become a true leader in the trailer industry. The Wallin family has successfully led this Wisconsin-based company through the many highs and lows of the trucking industry, while always investing in operations and technology to prepare for future growth. Our extensive trailer product line can be counted on to transport freight all over North America, while serving many diverse markets. Our popular dry van trailers are the true workhorses of the transportation network. Stoughton intermodal chassis move containers in between shipyards, rail yards, warehouses, and customer locations, while our rugged grain trailers handle the load of moving agricultural products between farm fields and storage facilities. Our refrigerated trailers efficiently transport food and other temperature-sensitive freight. Stoughton Trailers is the only trailer OEM offering the combination of these four product lines. We are truly trailer experts. Stoughton products have earned the reputation of being the best-built trailers in the industry. The company leverages technology, automation, innovation, and comprehensive control processes that all add up to a trailer being built better than the competition. Having a better-built trailer provides customers with a more durable product that retains its value longer, increasing the return on investment. Stoughton has taken a significant step to improve the durability of our trailers by galvanizing many of the steel components across all four of our product lines. To optimize the product life of trailers, the steel components need to be protected from corrosion. The company is leading the transition to galvanized components that provide customers with a product that lasts longer, requires less maintenance, and reduces the carbon footprint of the company thanks to the environmental benefits of the galvanization process.
We are proud to say we have over 1.6 million square feet under roof, which includes 6 manufacturing facilities across multiple states, including 3 lines dedicated to dry vans, 3 lines dedicated to intermodal chassis, and dedicated lines for grain trailers and refrigerated trailers as well.
Stoughton Trailers manufacturing operations include the legacy operations in Stoughton, Evansville, and Brodhead, Wisconsin. In 2022, the company built an 80,000 square foot plant in Waco, Texas, to support our chassis sales growth. This new facility provides the company with better access to customers, as well as rail and shipyards in the southern U.S.
Stoughton Trailers utilizes state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and processes. In the last 5 years, we've invested over $40 million to create a fully automated component fabrication center.
The heart of our component fabrication center is our automated material handling system that stores and delivers 4x8 sheets of steel to the specified laser cutter. Our arsenal of laser cutting equipment allows us to create intricate designs with speed and incredible precision. Our robotic bend cells ensure that every bend angle of every component is absolutely perfect, which improves the welding process and component integrity. Our advanced robotic welding cells ensure each weld is executed to perfection.
Our commitment to innovation and technology ensure that we remain at the forefront of the transportation industry. And our objective is to provide trailer products that exceed customer expectations and set new standards for excellence.
Our engineers utilize many cutting-edge software programs such as 3D modeling, stress analysis, and performance simulations to optimize trailer designs. Our commitment to innovation is reflected in our patents and ongoing pursuit of cutting-edge solutions. Our products have earned industry recognition and certifications for excellence in design, safety, and environmental sustainability, reflecting our commitment to quality and innovation. By utilizing the latest technology during the design and manufacturing processes, we can provide the best-built trailers in the industry. Stoughton Trailers is dynamic. Through sales growth, the aggressive reinvestment of capital back into the business, and the adoption of technology, Stoughton Trailers has become a modern force in the trailer industry. To learn more about the great things happening at Stoughton Trailers, contact your Stoughton sales representative or visit stoughtontrailers.com.